Hello friends, hello children. Today I'm going to tell you how to do chocolate cupcake. These are the ingredients you need for that. That's 3 tablespoons of maida, 2, 3, then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1, 2, then I'm using brown sugar. You can use any sugar, white sugar or brown sugar, whatever you have. That's 2 tablespoons. And baking powder, just a small pinch to mix well. Now I'm adding ghee. Ghee or oil, whatever you want, you can add. 2 tablespoons. Now milk. Can add. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of milk. And now to mix it very nicely. If the consistency is very thick, then you can add 1 more tablespoon of milk. Depending on the flour quality you're using, you will need little or more milk. That's 3 or 4 tablespoons you will require. You can see it's nicely mixed now. I'm adding few choco chips on top. This is optional. If you have, you can use. Otherwise, you can just omit it. Or you can even cut some chocolates and put it on top. Okay. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. If you're not having microwave, you can even bake it in the vessel. Just take one vessel with a tight lid, pour 2 glasses of water and 2 towels and put it in the stove, and you can cook it for 20 minutes and it comes out very well, just like the microwave. I made this in the vessel, like in the stove, and it came out as good as the microwave. And please, everyone, please try it at home and just let me know how it came out. And if you need more sugar, you can have, instead of 2 tablespoons, you can add 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm showing you the ingredients once again. Now the cupcake is ready. The chocolate cupcake is ready. Try it out and enjoy.